What is up guys, Rosa here and welcome back to another dose. Today we're going to be talking about the overall market, the state of the market right now, what I'm doing exactly, and overall the decisions you should make based on what's happening on the market right now. Now before this video starts, I want to say I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, and I'm not responsible for anyone getting in any sort of money losses or anything like that. If you guys don't know already who I am, hi, my name is Rosa and I'm a 4-month investor in the crypto space and overall NFTs, and I've made around 6 figures in the matter of 4 months. So I'm pretty knowledgeable, I guess experienced in the time that I've been in the space, and I want to tell you guys how you can do the same. But before we get into this video, I just want to say I am launching a space within the Discord where I get to interact with you guys and share my to-do lists in NFTs, my coming lists, my overall course, and so on. So be on the lookout for that. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So we can see here that the overall market has been overall skyrocketing upwards, especially with coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And why I think Ethereum is going to go up is basically a lot of utility around Ethereum. It gives you a lot of overall utility and a lot of control, not complete control, but a lot of control within your NFTs and within the metaverse. So I think Ethereum is going to go way up in the coming months. So it's a long-term investment. I'm currently loaded up in 12 ETH. So I'm looking for that long-term investment. But guys, please do your own research. For me, I'm just going to be stacked up with ETH. And with the Super Bowl coming up, I think Crypto.com is investing around 750 million or 150 million. It's around a couple of hundred million. But they invested so much money into advertising for the Super Bowl. And whenever something like that happens, like a big event, crypto skyrockets, NFTs, depends on how crypto is doing. If it stagnates, NFTs will pick up price again, but the volumes have been really low recently, so you should really get stacked up on low-key coins and look for those juicy 100x's. And you might be asking, okay, so if I don't invest in NFTs right now, it's really not the time to be making huge profits. But if you can, but if you're anything like me, I don't waste 6-10 hours. I stopped wasting 6-10 hours into just trying to get whitelist. So how do someone like me who's really lazy, has other stuff to do in their lives, make those juicy 10x, 20x, 100x's? Well guys, small coins. What I mean is, last year I invested into a lot of coins that were worth 0.1, and I'll put up a picture right here. I have made more than 6 figures just investing into really small coins, and each of them were below a cent, and I bought 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, and yeah, my budget was 100,000. And a lot of you people don't have the budget that I started out with, and I understand that. But what I'm saying is that these small projects are really the way for you, if you know what you're doing, if you did the right research, and if you know what you're looking at, to make these juicy 10x, 20x, 100x's. So basically what I'm saying is NFTs are looking kind of dry right now. Everything's going down, and I think everything will continue to go down with the coming few weeks. So if you really want to make those juicy money, I personally invested in a lot of Ethereum. I have a few Bitcoin, and we'll see how that does. And in my private Discord, I'm gonna give you guys which coins that I'm investing in, so you guys can, if it goes well, you guys can also alongside me get those juicy 100x's that you've been waiting for. But that's about it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to make a quick market update video and my overall thoughts on it. If you guys do want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and yeah, I'll update you guys soon. See you all next time. Peace.